Do a dance. Vicky's fantastic world. Hi, Munchkins, and today I'm doing a cool video about the mysterious edible slime for Valentine's Day with chocolate chip. And it's edible slime, so you have to do this. So, I'm going to show you the things you'll need for the Valentine's Day edible, chewable slime. We'll need some nice cushions to go to sleep. You'll need this for your slime. Edible, yummy slime. Roll your sleeves up because you might make a big mess. So, you're gonna need some chocolate chips. Yesterday I ate some, so don't bother me. You'll need these chocolate chips, and you'll need some Argo cornstarch. And if you add water, it makes oobleck. It's like this weird liquid that if you punch it, it's very hard. But if you sink your fingers or hands slowly, it just randomly goes like in there. So it's like weird. So guys, you might need some, or you definitely need food coloring for your Valentine's Day. And then we'll need some sprinkles if you want. I wanted to add some sprinkles. Okay, no one does dabs no more. The new dab is... So, we need to put your yummy marshmallows in... So, marshmallow. Don't do that, guys. You might choke on one and you don't want to choke. Because then your parents will be like, I'm Okay, I'll show you what that means. That means, oh my son, oh my daughter, you're choking. If you want, you can go crazy like me. Ah! So guys, now this is supposed to go 40 seconds in the microwave. We have to put this 40 seconds in the microwave. And if you're gonna use the microwave, you might need parental supervision because maybe the glass can fall or maybe you can get burned with the little thingy. So you don't want that to happen to you. So, let's go. Now I have to bring it to the microwave for 40 seconds. Can put one including 10 seconds. Do a dance. Now let's take this big boy out of here. Dad, I need your help. Thank you, Dad. For this ginormous big boy, we'll need to mix and some olive oil. And then the food coloring. And you will need some olive oil, 100% extra virgin olive. Okay, now let's get this. And then start stirring. Food coloring. I'm gonna add a lot of drops. Just squeeze the whole thing out if you want. That's enough. Oh my god, why does that look so gross? It reminds me of something and it's not that good thing.
Whoa!
Yeah, mommy. Yeah, whoa.
Looks yummy.
Yes, it does. This is a good workout. So now we're gonna add 6 little teaspoons of Argo cornstarch. So we have to go like that first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now let's mix. Mixy, mixer, mix. And if you get a big mess, haha. That's kind of good because you made a mess every day. So how it's feeling, it's feeling very good. So now, now we have to add some cornstarch. Don't put your hands because your sweat will make it a little bad to be cornstarch. So now add some cornstarch here. Add a lot. There's all over the place. Your hands will feel rubbery in this process, so yeah. And then add your sprinkles right now. This is turning into a little fun mess. Oh, your hands. If this happens to you, if your hands ever get sticky, add some cornstarch to your hands. It's handy dandy. Then they don't stick. Now it feels rubbery. So this is part of it. So guys, now you have to let it sit for 5 minutes. I did that already. What was that? So guys, you have to let it sit for 5 to 8 minutes. Then you could have the cool slime. So I'm gonna poke it to see how cool and realistic like slime is it.
Bonk, bonk.
It keeps on
bonk.
Turning and tossing. Now let's stretch. Very good. Now guys, if you're wondering why my hand is over here, it's because I'm getting some chocolate chips. You have to like squish it like that and then let it fall. And this is how my slime turned out. Thanks for watching this cute, adorable, and nice video. And don't forget to please subscribe and give a like. Don't forget to ring that big bell over there, the ding dong bell. Then you can get a notification every time I load up a new video. And guys, I have to clean this whole mess by myself. And I don't care because I put some music on and start cleaning.